a nourishing moisturizer that helps to restore the hair's shaft, balance the scalp's pH, and prevent hair thinning and loss. Like a therapeutic balancing sesh, like an adaptogen for your hair. With over 90% organic, this intensifying moisturizing conditioner is specifically formulated to nourish the hair's shaft right down to the scalp. This therapeutic conditioner balances and deeply hydrates for healthy, glossy hair with restored softness and flexibility. Hair thinning and loss is prevented for even the most fragile scalp. Hair is strengthened at the root, returning body and volume to your hair. Rich butters intensely moisturize and revitalize the hair structure for long-term frizz-free shine. They protect the hair from harmful environment impacts, styling agents, and hard water deposit. Seed oils and vitamin B5 complex impart essential nutrients that restore scalp balance and moisturize to help restore color-treated hair to optimum health with extraordinary shine.